nga sa'yo, di ba? Katatawag lang ng mga Rogelio, malapit na siya. Wag mo akong ginugulo, nagtitweet ako.
Alam mo, naiinis na ako. Tatayo ako. Alam mo, naiinis na ako. Ang tagal-tagal mo. Sasabihin mo ba talaga sa akin, ha? Ang tagal mo naman sabihin, ano ba yun? Yung sorpresa mo.
Basta yung sorpresa ko, ang pinakahihintay ng lahat, malaki ito.
Eh naman, puro malaki. Ang tagal-tagal mo naman sabihin, paulit-ulit ako.
Gusto mo ibulong ko sa'yo?
Bubulong mo na tapos sasabihin, ay.
Wag na, i-text ko na
O,
lang.
ibulong mo na.
Email ko na lang.
Wala nga akong email, wala nga akong immigrant yung mga ano dyan. Bulong mo na kasi.
Ayan. Tinweet ko lang si Darwin. Sabi ko, mag-showdown kami pag nanalo siya sa akin sa Bato-Bato Pick.
Naku, hindi mananalo sa'yo. Hindi, ano isto. Awang mo ako, di ba ngayon, sabihin mo na sa akin. Sa bunutan, nakita ate, naiinis na
Ito na,
ako.
bubulong ko. Ay! Ay! Ito naman ang OA naman. Hindi naman ganun yun. Tinidora, mamaya na kasi. Antayin mo na lang.
Ano ba eh, nimatay na nga ako eh.
Bumangon ka na dyan at kakantahan tayo ni Alden.
Ayan. Sigurado ka?
Oh.
Sige nga, asan? Alden, kakantahan mo daw kami, ha?
Lola!
Hi!
Mga Dabber Cats, sabay-sabay nating pakinggan ang kanyang rendition ng isa sa mga kantang mahal na mahal ng Aldab Nation. Ang Dalinay, Dalinay! Sabi nga ni Lola Nidora.
From his latest album entitled Wish I May by GMA Records. Sama-sama tayong mapapa-Aldab UK! Alden Richards!
When your legs don't break like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? And will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 17. And baby, my heart could still for us hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of a hand. But me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, and maybe we found love right where we are. And the crowd still remember me now. When my hands don't play the strings the same way. Ooh, I know you will still love love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old and evergreen. And baby, your smiles forever in my mind and memory. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of a hand, and I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now take me into your loving arms. Fix me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, and maybe we found a love right where we are. Para sa Aldab Nation to, at syempre para kay... Thank you so much po. I'll love you all. So baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh, darling, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, and maybe we found love right where we are. Or maybe we found love right where we are. And we found love right where we are.
Ano yung pulot nyo?
May mga nahulog-hulog
Ang dami nalaglag lang eh.
Ano?
Nahulog lang namin isang...
Ano yan?
Ano yun? Nalaglag. Itatabi lang namin.
May mga nalaglag lang.
Congratulations, Alden, ha?
Thank you, Miss P.
Nakakompleto ka ng kantang hindi umiiyak.
Uy, ano ba yan? Lalalala. Thank you po sa lahat. I mean, ginawa ko po itong album in tribute of Aldab Nation. And of course po, para kay Lord and sa mom ko. At sa lahat po ng mahal ko sa buhay. Yan.
Kai, may sinabi ka kanina, hindi mo sinabi kung sino.
Sabi mo sa main cam.
At para kay Meng.
Fans na talaga nagpipili in the blank. Para kay...
Lalalala.
Hindi na talaga yayatap, main na talaga eh.
Close na lahat.
Pero, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Tuloy-tuloy pa ang sorpresa.
Oy!
We'd like to call in Attorney Marvic Benedicto, Parry Chairman, Mr. Alvin De Vera, Parry President, and Mr. Rene Salta, GMA Records Managing Director. And they have a very special announcement for you,
Ano ba
Alvin.
yan?
Sir, nakita na tayo sa labas. Di niyo pa sinabi. Uy, ang bigat niyo.
On behalf of PARI, the Philippine
Iiyak
Association
na
for
yan.
Property Industry, we would like to congratulate Alden Richards and GMA Records and the Aldab Nation for this Gold Award for outstanding achievement in digital and sales.
Wow! 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 Wala na naman ako masabi. Thank you po. Thank you kasi actually hindi pa po lumalabas yung album eh. Sus ko Lord. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you kay Lord. Sa lahat ng fans, sa family ko. Kay Ma'am, sa Eat Bulaga. Oh my God, thank you po. Thank you so much.
Iiyak na yan.
Alden, you so well deserve everything, all the blessings that you are getting. Congratulations to you. Ano,
Thank you.
kaya pa?
Ay, naku!
Umiyak na nga!
Iiyak na yan.
Lagi na lang, ayoko na. Ayoko na.
Iiyak na yan.
Sir, you have something to say?
Yes, we'd like to congratulate Alden on his album award. Congratulations from Paris.
Alden,
Thank
ano
you,
bang,
GMA Records po. Thank you so much.
ano bang meron ng album mo?
Ano yung mga
Bukod sa
songs?
Dalinay.
Siyempre marami po dyan. Yan dyan yung Dalinay, of course. And,
Yun talaga ang title.
Wala bang tweaking eye?
thinking out loud pala, sorry.
Yun talaga yung title.
Ano pa ba? Wish I May, which is the Carrier single. God Gave Me You po. How Great Is Our God. Tsaka may isa pong original soundtrack na. Ayan. At saka po, Urong Sulong po, an original composition.
Sir, anything you wanna say to Alden?
Congratulations to Alden and
Thank you, Sir Rene. Thank you po, GMA Records. Ay, nako.
Hayang Silang Pilipino.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, po.
Alden, you deserve all the blessings.
Congratulations!
Napakabait mong tao.
Aldenatics, Aldab Nation! Para sa inyo to! Thank you po. Thank you.
Oh, mga Dabarkads, Aldab Nation, get a copy!
It's out na!
Out na po in all record bars. And mamaya po, kita-kita tayo sa SM North for the launch po ulit. Thank you.
Ano po
Kayo
bang
pa lang
susunod?
ni-launch pero nag-top ano na yun eh.
Oh, gold
Top
record
na
na
eh.
ngayon eh.
Iba ka? Iba ka?
Lalala, Miss A.
Congratulations. Thank you very much, Paris, sir,
Thank you
from
po,
Jimmy Records.
Jimmy
Maraming pong
Records.
salamat. At abangan niyo po ang Kalye Serie.
Ayan na!
Ayan na.
Susunod na!
Surprise pa more!
Ayan
Sa
na.
pagbabalik ng...
Eat Bulaga!
Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh, darling, place your head on my heart.
I'm thinking out loud. Kayo naman! Maybe...
Walk you down the road, share each moment, have my hand to hold. My imagination's beginning to unfold. Every wish is granted, every dream and hope. Wish I may, wish I might find a way to your heart. Wish that I'll be the sun to warm you all through your life. Wish you may feel my love that is hidden in the stars. Wish I may, wish I